Hello and welcome to this short presentation that will give you an insight into one of the most effective mortgage customer marketing initiatives that you've come across in your whole career. Because the strategy that I'm about to share with you will put between 3 and 5 mortgage customer appointments with your ideal client into your calendar every week. And by implementing this marketing strategy into your business, your concerns that you don't have enough leads or appointments can be solved inside of 30 days. This strategy focuses on marketing the one thing that's played a key role in the success of every mortgage transaction that you've been a part of. And that one thing is you. So it makes a whole lot of sense to leverage what works and put it into a marketing campaign because, as you know, regardless of what mortgage product you're selling or its rate, a mortgage customer buys you first and then they buy what comes with you. And so by using a marketing strategy that focuses on marketing you and the benefits of arranging a mortgage with you, a mortgage customer can quickly learn what they stand to gain by engaging you over every other alternative that they may have. Now, when put into a marketing campaign, that's going to turn out into better quality appointments, more conversations, and ultimately more commission. So if that sounds like an outcome that you'd like to achieve, staying with me over the next few minutes is going to be a great use of your time because I'm going to explain exactly how it's done. My name is Mark Blundell and I'm the founder of Mortgage Sales Mastery. I specialise in helping mortgage brokers and loan officers to get more clients, increase their sales volumes and ultimately earn more money. Now, you know, when it comes to creating a marketing campaign to attract more mortgage clients, the one thing that most mortgage brokers and loan officers overlook is one question about why it is that their ideal customer, the one they want to attract, hasn't already gone online and arranged a mortgage for themselves. I mean, think about it. With so many online opportunities available for a mortgage customer to get a mortgage online, why isn't it that the ideal customer that you want to attract, why haven't they gone online and got themselves a mortgage that they want? Well, the answer to that question is this. There's an obstacle or a problem that's in the mind of that mortgage customer that as yet they haven't found a solution for. And it's that problem that stopped them up until now from getting the mortgage that they want. And you know what? I can guarantee you that that problem has nothing to do with interest rates, fees, or charges. Now, most mortgage professionals think that getting their customer the cheapest rate and the best mortgage is the key to making more sales. Well, that's the wrong way to think about things. The truth is that even though it's common that a mortgage customer's first question to you is going to be about interest rate, their real question or the problem that they want to solve is more likely to be associated with thoughts like, how can they convert that vision they have of them and their family moving into a new home into a reality? And their question certainly isn't about rate when discussing a cash-out refinance with you. Their question is more about whether you can help them to experience the feeling that comes with walking into a magnificently renovated kitchen or bathroom first thing in the morning, or whether you can help them to become a landlord of a property by accessing their equity and not having to use their savings, or the problem about wanting relief from the stress that they're experiencing because they're financially stretched each month with having to pay multiple loan and credit card payments. And so with that being said, even though interest rates are increasing and likely to be top of mind for many customers, and yes, the property market may be beginning to ease, you can still hit and exceed your sales targets every month with a campaign that does what most don't. And I'm about to show you how. I want you to think about the role that you play in relation to helping a customer to get a mortgage. And I want you to think about how thrilled a customer is when their mortgage closes and gets funded and everything goes to plan. You know, that feeling of gratitude that the customer has towards you when their mortgage closes occurs as a result of you helping them to solve a problem that they couldn't solve on their own. And it's likely that the bigger the problem the customer feels that they have, the more grateful they'll be when you help them to solve it. Therefore, it's my bet that the best 5-star reviews that you've ever got have come from clients who felt that they had a significant problem that you helped them to solve. And so it makes sense that a successful marketing campaign should focus on you and how you can help somebody to overcome the obstacle or problem that's standing in the way of them achieving their goal or desire. And this is something that I'm going to show you how to do. But before I do, I want you to take a moment and imagine how much better your life could be if you could increase the commission that you earned by an extra $10,000 or $15,000 a month. Would you be less stressed? Would you be able to fund the help or the team that you need in your business to reduce the workload that currently rests with you? Or maybe with an extra $10,000 or $15,000 a month, you could use it to grow your own property portfolio. Either way, you'd have to agree that all of those outcomes are better than having to worry about what you need to do to get more clients. And that's why having a successful marketing campaign running in your business is so important. And so in simple terms, the problem that you want your marketing campaign to solve is how do you get more appointments with your ideal client booked into your calendar each week? Well, let me explain how to do that. It's an important point to acknowledge that people are most attracted to pitches, ads, and campaigns that can help to solve their problem. I mean, think about it. Everyone wants to lose weight, or they want to become healthier, or they want to know how they can increase their wealth or improve their relationships, as an example. Therefore, you stand a lot better chance of attracting a mortgage customer's attention with a sales pitch or presentation that solves a problem for them, rather than one that tells them all about the features and attributes and rates of the mortgage product that you want them to buy. And so the real elephant in the room when it comes to attracting more quality mortgage customers is how good are you at giving a pitch or a presentation that doesn't focus on your mortgage product's features or its rate? Well, if you're the kind of person who thinks that sales and marketing isn't really your thing, let me help you for one moment understand a basic marketing concept that will give you an advantage over your competition. And to do that, I want you to imagine that instead of selling mortgages, you sold hot dogs. And imagine you entered into a competition with other hot dog sellers to see who could sell 100 hot dogs in the shortest time. Now imagine as part of your entry, you were given one sales and marketing advantage over everyone else. What sales and marketing advantage would you choose? You know, when I've asked other mortgage brokers and loan officers that same question, they've come up with things like being able to offer a greater range of toppings or ingredients or additions on their hot dogs and offer them for the same price as everyone else. Or maybe being able to discount the price of their hot dogs so they were half the price of everyone else's. Or being able to locate themselves on the busiest street corner in their local city where many people walk by each day. And if you're thinking that your marketing advantage are something that resembles those sorts of things, I'm afraid you're not going to win the hot dog sales competition, because the winner of that competition, the person who's most likely to sell out of hot dogs the fastest, I guarantee you, is going to be the one whose sales and marketing advantage is being able to be located in front of a hungry crowd. Imagine being the only person selling hot dogs outside of a packed stadium at the end of the game, or outside of a busy nightclub at 2 a.m. You know, in those scenarios, you don't need to sell the best hot dogs. You don't need to be the best salesperson or offer the greatest range of toppings in those situations to sell out. And likewise, earning an extra $10,000 or $15,000 a month in commission isn't about being the best or having the best mortgage product. It's about having a marketing campaign that positions you in front of that hungry crowd of mortgage customers in this case, with a problem they want solved within a specific time frame. And an automated video campaign that promotes the value of dealing with you and the problem that you specialise in solving, that's supported by an almost frictionless call to action for a mortgage customer to take up, will certainly get you the appointments that you want each week. And so that brings me to you, the numbers of mortgage customers you want to speak with each week, and the goals that you want to achieve in your mortgage business. Can you see how if you had an automated video marketing campaign running in your business that marketed you as a specialist who could solve a specific problem, it's going to work out so much better than one that just tells people you offer the best rates and the best service? So let me ask you, would you like to have a done-for-you mortgage customer attraction campaign running in your business? You know, one that attracts customers who are focused on the outcome of solving a specific problem that they have that you can help them to solve. Of course you would. And here's how I can make that happen for you. On the bottom of this page, you'll see a button that says book a free 40-minute mortgage business booster conversation with me. Now, when you click on that button, it will take you to my calendar. All you need to do is to pick a time that suits you. Let me know what outcomes you want to achieve in the intake form, and in our call together, I will tell you the following 3 things. Number 1, how one of my premium mortgage customer attraction campaigns will work out for you, and what sort of results you can expect to obtain on an ad spend of as little as $20 a day. Number 2, I'll explain how me and my team will completely script and set up the whole campaign for you. We'll also help you to record your video on your cell phone and give you the link to a teleprompter that you can download into your phone so that you sound like a real professional. And number 3, I'll also explain how we will do every part of the setup for you. So no having to deal with Facebook or ads or any of that technical stuff. So once again, click on the button below, pick a time that suits you, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye for now.